This is the Shiva temple. You are looking at just left of my, and this is the one of the oldest god in the Hindu religion. And I'm talking about it because the same temple you can see in our India also. So we have also just about 2,000, 3,000 year old temple also located in India. So this I think tradition came from India perhaps. So we can see such type of temples similar in our North Indian part. So there are also Lord Shiva like in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, Angkor Wat temples, just like. So maybe this is the tradition came from India and it also spread in this part of the world. This is part of temple of Lord Vishnu. Here you see the, some statues are already here, just similar like India. You see Vishnu and perhaps his wife Parvati here. And some more statues are located here in just like Indian style. And look at also here. You see. But basically, this is the tradition of Indonesia. Yeah.
Is that Hanuman?
No. Bad devils. Bad devils. Demons. Demons. Yes.
That's why they look like
Demons and these are the, goddess, there is always fighting. If you come to India, you can fight some such
Yeah, we have
temples.
been in India, in the south,
In
in
the
Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
And even in India, not part of India.
We haven't been there.
No, if you go to Khajuraho
Khajuraho,
in Madhya Pradesh,
Madhya
central
Pradesh,
India,
yes.
there are so many temples you
Like
find
this?
there.
Yes.
More beautiful also.
Really?
Yes.
that's
You know Kama Sutra?
Kama Sutra, yes. The famous
Kama
book,
Sutra came from the Khajuraho.
Yes. Ah, yes.
Nice to meet you. Here is also the statues. Very good. So these are more also the goddesses you see you've seen before. As I has been told about it that these are more than 800 years old statues here located and made by the ancient Hindu Rajas here. But later the Muslim and they ruled here. But however, it was conserved by them very well. And look at also these all are god and goddesses. This is probably Nandi. We see here some remainings of the temple here. About in a few years back, we have a very terrible earthquake occurred in this part of the world. So you see the many temples destroyed here, and still the lack of the funds, so the government could not reconstruct these temples. But however, they are hoping to get the help from the Indonesian government. But I think it is difficult for them. But however, the UNESCO is going to help them regarding to rebuild these old temples here again. So let us hope maybe next time we come here, then we can find also this temple well structured again. This is photograph, fighting with devils, and so many. Look at it also. It is also fighting with devils sold here. The I think the goddess is fighting with, and this is the head of the devils. Look at here. This is the goddess. I think this is the Hanumana. The picture of Hanuman. The Hindu people say that this is the wind of God. This is wind of God, and probably he was the Bhagat of Lord Rama. He was the biggest Bhagat of Lord Rama. This one. And more and more about it. But these statues are going to be vanished. Probably not have been conserved very well. Here, this one is Lord Vishnu, I think. And okay, come on, follow me, sir. Perhaps these are Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Perhaps this you see it in this picture, as I think. But and the same also here. And I think that Vishnu is riding on a Nandi, probably. Look at here. This is, I think, Nandi, and is riding.
Super.
This is the statue of Lord Shiva, the biggest god of the Hindu religion here. You see, it has been centralized here because this is the center part of this temple here. Then rest of the statues are the smaller ones, but this is the biggest here and has been located. So that's why we are not allowed to enter in this temple. So you see, maybe next time if we come here, we can visit this place. So you see, also include it contains also Lord Vishnu and Lord Ganesha and Lord Shiva's statues in this temple. So look at, I think this is the one. This is the biggest temple in this arena. This is the entrance door of the Lord Rama's temple. You see here, and also some another god like Shiva and Ganesha statue also located inside. But this time we are actually barred and not to allow to enter in this temple. So probably next time we will see here. So this temple were constructed before 800 years Christ. We are near the statue of the Lord Shiva. Look at here, he is just standing here, and normally, you see, this is one of the statues here located about 800 before Christ. Again, standing near another temple of Shiva, you see, these are the symbol of the temples. So Shiva, particular in Indonesia, the Garuda is a symbol of Lord Shiva here, and this is a symbol of also the Indonesian government. They use the Garuda as a symbol of Shiva. You see here, and also the picture of lions. Lions means it's symbol of another god. I'm sorry about I don't know about it, but maybe later. So this is a temple. One of the series of the temple here. We have some I think very wonderful thing that in old times cement I think was not used here in this temple. So you see the one by one stone were put very strictly, and quite actually a very amazing work for us when we see. Look at here, just look at here. So I don't think there is any sign of the cement we see here. Only the stone by stone were put, and it has been strengthened. So it was I think their time the best technology they used there that time. So it quite amazing for particular for us in India that we have temples, but at that time we used another sticky sand perhaps that could have strengthened the temple's area. But here I see in myself that I could not find any technique like cement have been used here. So this is quite amazing, and I hope when we next come, I think I will give you more information about this temple also. Museum of the statues. Here you see this is the temple. This is the statue of Lord Vishnu. Look at here, and this is the statue of Lord Shiva, and this is one of the the Shivalinga. Shivaling made of the bronze, and it has been put because the before, as you know, as I have commented before about the temple, that due to earthquake some time ago, so some temples totally devastated and destroyed in earthquake. So they were taken statues from there and put and made a museum here. Just in my left side, you see this is also the Shivalinga of Lord Shiva, and these are statues. Regarding this also, I am just standing near the Lord Shiva's statue here, made of the old stone, very beautifully constructed, and you see some more. And just I am standing near the Lord Buddha's statue over here, And Buddha, you know, some I think in also earthquake, the right hand has been broken. And this is you see the Ganesha's statue. We are looking at a very temple and very rare in this part of the Indonesia we see. And in as I have been told about this picture that the Ramayana is normally performed here in a nearby the temples in a dancing shape. So although we are normally I am from India, so normally we have the different, not different than it, but however, so statues no doubt belongs to, and you see also a type of Nandi here in right side. This is Nandi, and these are three statues: Vishnu, Mahesh, and the third god. Vishnu, Mahesh, and third one. Buddha's statue also, very old one, put here in this museum. I think before we have a devastating earthquake in this area, so the many temples destroyed. So after the destruction, even some statues of the gods also were destroyed also. Just in left we see the Lord Buddha's statue, the head, you know, almost vanished. And look at the here, this is the statue of I think Ganesha, of Lord Shiva, but statue has been put somewhere else. And here also you see the statue of Ganesha. These are some picture, some statues in a different style. It has been put here due to because these are waiting to be reconstructed again, because the so many temples were destroyed. So that's why. So government is still thinking to rebuild again these temples. This is Ganesha statue, more than 2,000 years old, more than about 208 years we can say. Before it has been constructed 800 years BC. In the garden, because after the destruction of the temples, so some statues and Nandi were put in this garden as a decoration here. Due to the lack of the money, so government could not reconstruct these temples. But so that's why we can see these are the symbols of Hindu mythology here. Probably this is also the statue of Vishnu. And just in my right side or left side here, this is the Nandi. This is Nandi. This is Nandi, and just right over there, the Vishnu, Brahma, and Mahesh. This is the statue. This has been, very popular. So you see Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, but due to the earthquake it has been disfigured by. So government is also trying to reconstruction, look at here, to rebuild them and rebuild again them. But it has been badly damaged. And but however, I hope so. Maybe the government will think about to reconstruct and rebuild this temple for the rest of the world. The more statues we look at here, I think this one is Lord Brahma, and this one I think the trunk has been vanished here. So this is the a statue of Ganesha, and this one belong to belongs to perhaps a Buddha religion, and this one perhaps you see these two statues. This is the goddess Durga's statues here. Again, I am standing in another part of the museum. The museum, we are looking at some statues already put here, like Ganesha and Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu and Mahesh, everything. But I think these also why I think they were put here and waiting for the reconstruction of the old temples which were destroyed in earthquake before. So just look at my in right side. I look at this is the statue of Durga. This is of goddess Durga. I am look at her, but in an earthquake, the head was destroyed badly. But however, one can see realize that how beautiful it was before when it was built. This is the statue of Agastya. Agastya is one of the lord in Hindu religion. Agastya. So I think if we come next time, we can see again these statues in the different respective temples. Maybe I hope so. Okay.